Living in the country is certainly different from city life. One thing that's different is that we have to burn our trash since there's no trash pickup. This requires us to separate our hard trash from what can be burned. The current burn barrel doesn't burn quite as hot as we would like, so my father-in-law and I decided to make a Vortex burn barrel. Neither of us had ever made one, and he had other ways on how he put holes in his barrels in the past. Stick around to the end of the video and find out how he did that. I made a half circle by tracing a roll of tape and cutting it out. I then used a paint pen and traced the shape onto the barrel both at the bottom and middle sections, spacing them about 6 inches apart. Using a cutting torch, I cut the half circles and used a hammer to bend them inward. This will cause the airflow to create a vortex and burn hotter, hopefully leaving less waste in the bottom of the barrel. Well, do you think that's going to help?
Anytime you can get air swirling around the object you're trying to burn, you're going to be in good shape.
Okay, so you think this will be a big improvement?
Yeah, it should.
I hope so. Do you want me to just fire up the torch?
You can do that.
Let's just do that.
Sure.
Here, hold this. You're recording. I hope your camera skills are good.
Okay, I ain't got any camera skills, but...
Well, I'm gonna light this thing. I think I'm gonna light it. You ready? How old is this rig here? Because like these tanks look like about as old as those post hole diggers. You must have bought these new. So the hoses are 25 years old.
I bought them when we went to Toledo.
Okay, fine. But like, how old are the tanks? How old is this dolly that it sits on?
I don't know.
I mean, this was Papa's, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, okay. So same guy that made the post hole diggers. This is his rig.
Yep.
Whoa. I'd say that's going a lot better.
I'd say so.
I would say it's helpful. So back in the day, how you got your burn barrel to put holes in it? You don't remember?
No.
12 gauge shotgun ring a bell?
Oh yeah, okay. We blow holes in the bottom. That's the best way. Use a gun.
Yeah, you would get your 12 gauge out, you'd lay the barrel on the side, and you just kind of stick the barrel in and turn your head away and just shoot several times. And that's how you would put holes in the bottom of your burn barrel.
You could be accurate in all that.
I watched you do that one time, and I thought, I think there might be an easier way. I mean, don't get me wrong, that was a pretty easy way, but I don't think it was very efficient as far as burning. I mean, it served its purpose. Creating the Vortex burn barrel took less than an hour, and it was fun to work with my father-in-law. If you've made a Vortex burn barrel before, leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. Or maybe there's something you see in my design that maybe I can improve upon that would make it burn hotter and faster. Thanks.